As I write this letter, my heart beating much too fast for my pain. Soon I'll be in your arms again, to change I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But all I just wanna hear that wonderful sound, I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard that sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. I ever did we part. I need reassurance. Those thoughts have been stronging up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still